Okay, usually we do these sofas in the porch area, but today we are gonna do it right here outside. Yeah, there is some mildew right there, so she requests a really good scrubbing and steaming the cushions. This is the second time that we clean these cushions. Like, I don't know, 4 years ago it was the last time that we cleaned it. I have another video on a sofa I'm inspecting right now. We have to be careful which product we are gonna use so we don't discolorate the orange red cushion for the outside patio. All the cushions are clean. We'll put it this way so it can be dry.